Welcome back to my channel. In just a few minutes, I've downloaded over 100 TikTok videos, full HD, no watermark, completely automatically. This is the power of MKT Viral. Step 1. Open MKT Viral. Select the Scan TikTok Videos feature. Step 2. Enter the account link, hashtag, or keyword. Step 3. The tool will automatically scan all related videos. Step 4. Check download without watermark. Choose MP4 format. Step 5. Click download. The tool will automatically bulk download the videos. In just a few steps, all the videos you need will be neatly stored in your computer folder, ready to edit, repost, or archive. After scanning is complete, select all the videos and click download. The software will download all those videos to the folder you selected earlier in the software.